Hello, good afternoon. Here we are in Cameroon and it is how do you call 7:5:12 p.m. I'm Gregory Gufan presenting my Project 3. Okay, I was told the first requirement was to build a website that looked like our Pinocchio website, whereby we have our items. We have some items which are defined with small and large version. We have toppings and we also have add-ons. As you can see, salad, pasta, add-ons. Okay, so that's exactly what I did here on my website. We have our menu with items with small and large version, and this button is to be able to implement the shopping cart part, where we'll come back to it. Down there we have the possibility to add add-ons and also down there toppings. I've added the price on toppings just to be able to implement the paying part. So that's basically okay. That was our first requirement, and as you can see, it is well mentioned now. Yeah. Now I will try to add, modify, and edit an item. So I will do that for each type, the topping, item, uh, and add-ons. Okay, so let's go. I will first of all modify. I'll start by modifying this element, or I will remove it first. So test the remove part. In regular pizza, I will remove three topping. Everything there, I will remove it. So I go to the admin interface. As we are here, I'm already connected. So okay, let me just remove this part just to reach the center. Okay, I go to my menu. In my menu, I select the dinner plate. It was regular pizza. In regular pizza, I okay, now I will just remove the okay, sorry for the interruption. Now I will first of all delete this last element. I will delete it. Okay, save. If we go back to regular pizza, we will see that item 3 has been deleted, and if I go back to my menu, I refresh it, I will see that it disappeared. Now I will create it back. It was what? It was regular pizza topping 3. I put item though they were topping. Okay, no problem. Topping 3. So I go back to the admin interface and I add the new item, put the name, put the versions. Here as version we have this and 23,95. Oh, where is it? This and 23,95. So size est bon. Je suis en train de travailler, je suis en train de soumettre un truc. Tu n'as pas remarqué? Okay. Am I save it? Yeah, it's saved. Now I refresh the menu. Doesn't seem to be saved. I save it now. Okay. And then now refresh and we can see how it is added. Now if I want to modify, same thing, we just go there, and if you can add and create, this is the admin functionality. I can just edit it, press here, it will edit, and maybe topping updated. So now I will just save it and then save it again, go to my menu and refresh it. But updated doesn't really make sense, so I will just put back the normal one, edit, remove this one. save and save. Okay, now everything is fine. So we did the add, remove and update part of the menu. Now if I want to add a topping, for instance, from here I will go to the topping part. I have a table called topping, so I've added it to the admin.py in its model. So here I can add a new topping. Let's call it black olive. Will be our choice, and I will give it a price of one CFA dollar, whatever. So and then I add, you can see, and if I go to the main menu, to my menu, I refresh, and down there you will see the black olive that was added. That's the same for the add-on. If I go to pasta, oh, pasta was full, so I would rather take salad W tuna. Okay, it's not yet there. I will just add it. Salad, where is it? Add on. You can either add it this way, so you put salad, you put the name, you give it a price. How was the price? 8.22. Price was 8.25, and I just affect it to one of our items. So it is either you do it like this, or you go to item and then you can still do it. So those are the two ways you can actually add an add-on, but it was not part of this. It was rather part of salad, the menu salad. So send it there. Then I save. When I save like this and I go back, I will see my salad WT that was added. Okay, so for the list of menu items and all the modification of add-on, remove all those stuff, they are done. Now I'll work on the requirement that say we should implement a shopping cart. So our shopping cart is also very simple, whereby the item which are versions like this one, our cheese for instance, you can select either the small or the large one in our add to cart button. That will pop up in modal. And also for item which has only one price, like add-on, no need, it will just appear without any checkbox that will give us the possibility to actually choose between the two. Same for the topping part. So that's what I will do now. I will select cheese, and then I give it a quantity. Let's say I want two small, and I will also pick cheese. I want one big. Okay, then now, and you will see how it updates. Each time I select, the thing will just update. And now if I go to, okay, big city, I chose one big city, and then for add-on I will add, for topping I'll put hamburger, onion, let's say quantity of, I don't know how to evaluate it, maybe it's in kilogram, or I don't know, but it actually works. So when we update, it goes to 6. When I refresh the page, and it gave me the sum of all the items that I've added. So when I press there, you can see a cheese with small, you can see a cheese with large size, and you can see onion 3. So it is very well implemented, whereby, let's say I no longer want to buy this one, I will remove this line, the cheese large, I will leave it. I will remove the special. Yeah, it's very expensive, so I will just remove it. It prompted me to actually delete this modal. Very nice way to implement, and it will just go away. Wait, okay, we need to refresh the page, but it goes away. Okay, now I have all my items. If I want to go to order the item box, well, let's say let me modify the quantity. Let's say I don't, maybe I want more, I want 3 instead of 2. I can modify the quantity of my shopping cart element. So as I press, if I refresh the page, you can see it is modified, and here we have the total of all the elements that are listed there. And now we are asked, we can have edited and have also delete. I have edit and delete each line in my shopping cart. Now I can place an order. When I press on place an order, the requirement said I should give him, I should actually prompt the user if he really want to place the order with the item listed in the shopping cart, and I should also give him the total amount that is going to pay. So when I press on yes, what it does is that it confirms me with an alert JavaScript. Everything is sent to the server via Java, and it tell me that the order was made successfully. It will empty the shopping cart. Oh, wait a minute. There's one thing that I've not implemented. But let me finish with this one first. I've not implemented the part where I was supposed to actually, when the user disconnect, it was supposed to see when even when he log out or he closed the website and the browser, it should still be able to see the content of his cart. I will do that just after the placing order. Okay, when I press it empty the card and it put all the element in my order list. With it is listed with dates. So if I all the items that this particular user made during the day will be listed here. And this is the how do you call it, my personal touch with the status. And this user can see it actually because he's actually the owner of the site. So from now I will implement the registration part. Sorry for the up and down stuff, but I mean it just to follow what is written on the requirement document. Sorry, I'm not if I'm not just going through it. So I will create a new user. I will call it Wilson. Wilson, here we have Wilson, username Wilson, password, mail Wilson. Okay, create a new user. It will directly connect me. So I've already explained how the menu and stuff works. So I will add items to Wilson, so on. I'll add item to the shopping cart of Wilson. Now three, and yeah, we take the big just to implement how when you select the same element with different size, how it works. And here we put a quantity of 1, and then here let's say we'll pick a quantity of 4. Okay, now all those elements are added in my shopping cart. So when I press on my shopping cart, I reach here, still I can modify, I can do all the stuff. And let's say 2, yeah, it still works. I can remove the, let's say, this topping, and it will go away. It's a very nice implementation. Now if I close this browser, the whole, I close it, I open it back, log in, I open it back, you see I still have my items, they are still there. If I log out from the system and I log in, the item, they are still there, they are not moving, they are still there. So now I implement the placing part. So here I can place my order. It brought me, we've explained all these parts. So he can actually see all these elements with the status pane because he's not the admin. So he cannot have the possibility to actually complete each order. Sorry for the spelling. I will just correct it. Sorry for it. Okay, order, save, refresh. Okay, now if I refresh here, so now I will connect with the Gregory profile, which is the owner. Gregory, then oh wait a minute, sorry for the bug. Now it's coming. All the items and each order are referenced with an order each of them has a other reference. So those are the one that Rayson made, and the top one are the one that Gregory made. So I'll for instance choose this one. If I press on the first one, and okay, wait. When I was pressing the down button, it was not coming just because the CDN of Bootstrap was taken directly. The 35 of Bootstrap was taken from internet. It was a CDN. So now, what I want to say is that when I press on done, it pops up a menu, and this menu very important part. When I leave complete, it all the elements that all the order that are related to all the order that that are having the same reference will have a status complete. But if I remove it like this, only the line where I selected the done will be completed. Okay, as I press here, it's only that line that will go to the status complete. And if I go back to Western profile and refresh his page, you will see it complete. One of them is complete. So now the second one, if I now two are remaining, if I press in either of them and I leave complete and complete, all the rest that are not complete will go to the status we will complete it. So that's the implementation I made there. As we can see, only the reference with the same order reference, and also yeah, same order reference. That's it. If Wilson go now to his profile and refresh his page, you will see all the items that are completed. So I hope I've met the requirement. Thanks